A lot of people like to put the water in first in the top loader. Yeah. A lot of people don't understand how pressure sensors work. My name is Renee. I am an appliance care and maintenance specialist. Before I was an appliance care and maintenance specialist, I was an appliance repair technician for 6 years. Okay, so washing machines, even as early as the 90s, which I know for some people that doesn't sound very early, but I was born in 89, I'm 35. It was over 3 decades ago for some of it. Sorry. Washing machines with pressure sensors. What a pressure sensor is, it will basically detect how much water is in your machine based on the pressure level, essentially. So if you put water in the washing machine first, one of two things is usually going to happen. Number one, it's going to drain it out immediately. And that depends. That's usually the newer washing machines, because they immediately are like, oh no, something's wrong. There's a leak. I need to drain this out. So either they'll do that, or they will just operate as normal, which is to say, what happens with the pressure sensor is when there's no water inside your washing machine, let's just, this is an arbitrary number, but imagine that when there's no water in the washing machine, arbitrarily, the pressure sensor reads 0. And it has to reach, let's say, 10 until it'll start starting the wash cycle, because it's like, I need 10 imaginary arbitrary units of water before I will begin washing, because obviously it doesn't want to start washing the clothes if there's not enough water. That would be a problem, it would damage the clothing. So what a pressure sensor does, starts at 0 when there's no water in there. If it hits 10 arbitrary units of water, then it'll be like, okay, time to start washing. So say it starts at 0, the washing machine is empty, and you put a little bit of water in first. What do you think is going to happen? The correct answer is the pressure sensor notices. So then when it goes to fill, it's not going to fill 10 arbitrary units plus whatever you put in there. It's still going to fill 10 arbitrary units. Don't fill your washing machine before you use your washing machine. It's gonna fill the same amount anyway. It knows. Surprise. It's one of my favorite things about people not understanding how washing machines work. Just knowing that the washing machine is like, I know what you're trying to do, It makes me happy.